Time we've been saplo Vanuatu, me been learning for up something about them when people when me no been save any something about Ogeta before me been go away. When something when me been look lo place yeah. One kakai when me never been looked before and me lap. Man, he got four up kind bro lap. He got lap taro, lap maniok, lap banana, lap sasor. Oh way, me love him lap sasor. Well lap tuluk, man. He good way good. When we start think about one time here when we been helping one family make him lap tuluk. We been go lo house bro get them or we been get them or get the meat bro me come with me or get the onion. More Maggie go with me, more some salt, more every something yeah. More family even get them or get the coconuts, more manioki come finish. More time we been come lo place bro get the me father even make him brown and meat there. More time we family start brown and meat there. Me with them one friend bro me. Me been save scratch him or get the coconut. Or get the coconuts. More me been save rash him maniokia. More me hear him say, man, I mean a fun too much. Man, he hard work way. More old woman Vanuatu, he's strong way strong. Arm bro get the he awesome one big fella numbunga tree where he no save move. Freak, I mean hard to mas. Mo me been heard him say, man, bro me, he's strong now yeah. From mo get the mama bro me lo Vanuatu even teaching me how to bro make him lap. Mo lap tuluk, I mean good way good. Before I even rash mo get the maniok finish. Mo before I even mix him water bro coconuts, mo milk mo get the coconuts yeah. After me for I scratch him finish. Mo me for I even get him lap. I go inside the one leaf, yeah. Leaf blow lap. After me for I fold them, after me for I even put them meat, I go inside. After me for I even put them or get the something, yeah, or get the banana leaf. More even tough to mas blow make him something, yeah. Blow come blow save culture, blow old man Vanuatu more man, me love him lap. Time we me been first kakai, me been think say, hey gosh, I'm your one them yeah. But after me been come blow save say, man, something like that, he want good for a kakai, yeah. Man, me start down him lap full up now. Yeah, me tough to mas.